So, I am doing something I used to do many years ago in Spain in my mom's village. My grandma, rest in peace, used to bury red potatoes or regular potatoes in tinfoil in the coals, in the ashes. And 20 minutes later, oh my gosh. And this is the actual result of the potatoes that came out after 15 minutes buried in the coals. This is a very ancient tradition. We'll check them out. The thing to know about this is that we wipe the ashes off the skin with a napkin. And I said we, my son and I are doing this whole thing. I'm showing him the tradition. And then what I did is I put some salt in each potato. And that's how you enjoy them. Oh my goodness, good stuff, good vitamin C. I mean, it's about showing the tradition to, in this case, my boy, right? This is really good stuff. You know, a little bit of ash, you know, thing over there with the skin and stuff. And the potato with the salt. Oh God. Brings me back 25 years into my mom's village in Spain. Really good stuff. Good tradition.